So this is going to be a quick video today to serve as a kind of reminder about how you might be limiting your man's love for you. And whether that is just in a dating relationship and you possibly want something more, or you want to certainly work towards that, or if you're in a relationship already. And even if you are engaged, married, what have you, this just works all the time because it is the fundamental way a man loves. And I'll get to that. So don't forget to subscribe, to hit the red alert bell so you're sure to get all my videos immediately when they come out. And certainly, please, if you like my videos, please like them, because that helps in the algorithms to have other people get to me. It helps my channel to keep going. So what is it? What is this simple yet difficult way to keep a man his love alive for you and to really be desirous of you? If you know my book, Why Won't He Commit? How a Man Decides to Make You the One, you know I talk about this. It's my #1 gender gap. Women love through knowing, men love through wondering. So it's very simple in terms of intellectually. How you keep your man's love alive for you is by making him wonder. Now, that can be from the simplest one end of the scale to a complicated end of the scale, but a very, very simple tip is simply that you must pull back in order for him to come forward. You must make him wonder by pulling your energy away from him, not towards him. This allows him to be the natural man that he is, to pursue your time, attention, and affection. If he is not actively attempting to get your time, attention, and affection, his wonder lowers, and that lowers his deeper desire for you. It's very antithetical, because when we love someone and we want to be with them, we show it, we want it, we are actively pursuing it because we love through knowing. We get our knowing from his action of spending time with us, of telling us, of showing us in all manner of ways. He actually gets his fulfillment and love from us through wondering, through us not doing. So, whatever you're doing, simply pull back. Pull back on the amount of time. And sometimes that is when he wants it. You don't just give it. And this may seem like, okay, well, that's playing a game. I want to be with him, so if I don't, I'm not going to be with him at all. What does that do? If he only wants to see you a certain amount of time, like say it's once a week, and 1 week you pull back and you don't see him, what does that do? It creates wonder. What does that do? That increases his interest, his desire, his love for you. So you can't go wrong. And that's what I am all about. Not going wrong, doing what works. And what works will always be making a man wonder in simple, small ways. More on that. I have so many videos about that. Keep watching. Listen to my podcast, Make Him Wonder. There you get full real life love and relationship coaching conversations that will tell you even more and go into more depth in a woman's particular situation. You may also want to be a guest. Just go to realcoachingconversations.com and fill out the form, and you could be talking to me there. I'll be talking to you again. In the meantime, don't forget, make him wonder. I trust you got a lot of good information from today's video, and I enjoy bringing you content that is valuable for success in your romantic life. So don't forget to subscribe and hit the alert bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. And if you want more on any of the content you see here, you can go to my book, Why Won't He Commit? How a Man Decides to Make You the One. You can order it at any fine retailer where you get your books. And if you want more on me or any of my programs, my podcast, go to CoachPaulagrooms.com, and we could be talking soon.